Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp status. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. For example, here you can see my WhatsApp status. Here you can see there is no option to download this WhatsApp status. Now go to Play Store and search here WhatsApp status downloader. Go to your Play Store and search here WhatsApp status downloader. For example, now download any app you want to like. For example, this is app. Now open any app. After that, what you need to do, you need to skip this advertisement. Here you can see this is advertisement. Skip this advertisement. After that, click on this, open this app and click on WhatsApp business. After that, here you can see my all images and my all WhatsApp video status. Here you can see my all friend status. How to download this? Simply click on this save icon. Here you can see. Now click on this save icon. In this way you can easily download any your friend status and image. In this way you can download WhatsApp status on your Android smartphone and your iPhone. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.